In the bustling city of New York, a man named Gates hurried through the airport searching for a newspaper. Realizing he had no money, he hesitated at a vendor's stall. "Take it," the vendor said with a warm smile. Months later, the same thing happened. Once again, the vendor gave him a newspaper for free, saying, "I'm happy to help." Years passed, and Gates became the richest man in the world. Remembering the vendor's kindness, he sought him out. "Do you remember me?" Gates asked with a smile. The vendor nodded. "Of course, I gave you newspapers twice." Gates beamed. "Tell me your greatest wish, I'll make it happen." The vendor chuckled. "Sir, how can your help compare to mine? I gave when I had little. You're offering now that you have everything." In that moment, Gates realized the true meaning of wealth. It's not measured by riches, but by the generosity of the heart.